In today's video, we're diving into a critical comparison that could significantly impact your business: LearnWorlds versus ThriveCart and how you can use their checkout experience. In this comparison, we'll analyze the key differences between LearnWorlds and ThriveCart Learn with a specific focus on their checkout systems. By the end of this video, you'll understand how each platform structures the purchase journey from initial interest to complete transaction, the backend setup process for creating effective checkout pages, as well as customer experience differences that impact conversion rates, which platform offers better sales tax automation and compliance features, as well as cost considerations and the return on investment for each solution. Our objective is to provide you with actionable insights based on real-world implementation so you can select the platform that best aligns with your specific business model and customer expectations. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, LearnWorlds and ThriveCart Learn serve different main purposes. LearnWorlds was built as a complete learning system for creating and selling online courses. It's strong in educational features, interactive content, and keeping students engaged. The platform helps you build courses, create communities, and even offer certificates, which is perfect for creators who want to deliver structured learning or build educational focused brands. ThriveCart Learn, on the other hand, is stated as an add-on to ThriveCart's shopping cart, which is mainly to simplify delivering digital products after a purchase. ThriveCart really shines here in optimizing on its sales funnels. It's ideal for digital product sellers who don't need the features of a full learning platform but still want to give customers a very professional and clean checkout experience. Now, when evaluating these platforms, it's really important to acknowledge certain limitations for this actual comparison. The first of these is that LearnWorlds and ThriveCart Learn serve slightly different primary purposes. LearnWorlds is its own standalone platform. It's a learning management system first, while ThriveCart is actually more focused on checkout-focused solutions, more so in the e-commerce space. This fundamental difference really influences, in my opinion, the respective strengths, especially when you consider their specific business models and how they can matter tremendously. How these platforms handle the critical checkout experience where your prospects become your customers. The checkout process isn't just a transaction, it's a pivotal moment that really reflects your brand's professionalism as well as your attention to detail. We'll examine both of these platforms from two essential perspectives: the seller's back-end experience, which is basically how you set up and manage your checkout pages, as well as the customer's front-end experience, which is what your buyers will actually see and interact with in the first place. We'll also explore how each of these platforms really handles crucial elements like upsells, payment options, customer account creation, and even post-purchase delivery. And the really key here is that understanding these nuances will kind of help you identify which solution really actually is what you want to go with as far as the platform is concerned. Remember that while features do matter here, the ultimate test is how seamlessly these platforms convert interested prospects into satisfied customers. Now, from the seller's perspective, LearnWorlds provides a sophisticated yet pretty accessible checkout configuration process. When setting up your checkout in LearnWorlds, you'll start with your visual page builder that basically allows you to have extensive customization without pretty much any coding knowledge. The platform offers a variety of pre-designed checkout templates specifically optimized for educational products, which you can then modify to match your brand identity. Now, what really distinguishes LearnWorlds is its focus on learning-centered checkout elements. You can now showcase course curriculum previews, instructor credentials, and even learning outcomes directly within the checkout flow. The backend analytics also provide detailed conversion insights showing exactly where potential customers hesitate or abandon the cart process. This more data-driven approach helps you continually refine your checkout page based on actual customer behavior. One particularly valuable feature, though, is the ability to create multi-tiered pricing options within a single checkout page, allowing you to present basic, premium, and even VIP versions of your course with a clear value differentiation. Now, from the customer perspective, LearnWorlds delivers a checkout experience that feels much more educational even before purchase completion. When customers enter the LearnWorlds checkout flow, they're greeted with a clear branded interface that reinforces the learning journey they're about to embark on. The platform also excels at showcasing course value through interactive elements like curriculum previews, sample lesson access, and even instructor credentials, which are prominently displayed during the checkout. And one of the big benefits here is that testimonials and social proof are also seamlessly integrated into the purchase flow, which builds so much more confidence as customers can progress towards that payment button. Now, LearnWorlds also offers flexible payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and increasingly popular buy now and pay later services like Klarna or Affirm. Now, accommodating diverse customer preferences after purchase, customers gain immediate access to a comprehensive dashboard where all of their purchase courses appear with consistent formatting, progress tracking, and very clear navigation. This continuity between checkout and course delivery creates really what, in my opinion, is a cohesive experience that kind of reinforces the professional quality of your educational products. Now, when you look at ThriveCart from a seller buyer perspective, there's much less features that you can really utilize here. ThriveCart Learn is a very very easy way to start building courses, but the ultimate issue here is that it is still built on top of a ultimately checkout focused platform. They are specifically not focused on actually building courses, although this new offshoot feature is much more dedicated to that. Now, one of the things I want to show you is what it looks like when you get started with ThriveCart Learn and how that whole process actually looks in the first place. If you use that link down in the description and you click it, you'll be brought to a page that looks something like this. As you can see, they'll take you through a very simple step-by-step process here with ThriveCart Learn, and it actually even gives you a breakdown video to show you what's included in their new offshoot of this brand here. If we scroll down further, we can log into a current ThriveCart account that we have and upgrade to the Learn Plus option, or we can get ThriveCart in the first place. As you can see here, there's also a few testimonials that are very happy about this. So let's take a further look here. We can click on the don't have ThriveCart button yet because more than likely most of you watching this are trying to make that decision in the first place. As you can see, it will take us to their landing page here, which will give us a nice overview video to show us everything we need to know about creating a high converting checkout page. As you can see here, they also currently have a lifetime deal discount right now, where instead of $95 a month, you're going to be saving on a special lifetime offer where you literally pay once and you'll never have to pay again, which is a very big deal, especially with software platforms like this one. All we have to do is hit the get lifetime account now button, which will then take us to this page where we can pick either we want the ThriveCart lifetime account option or the pro upgrade, which of course will let us actually build our courses and start delivering digital products, whether that's ebooks, templates, or anything that doesn't actually have a physical signature. That's something that we can start selling with ThriveCart Learn. Now, LearnWorlds and ThriveCart both use different pricing approaches. LearnWorlds, for instance, works on a monthly subscription model with several tiers that you can choose from. If we look at their starter plan option, it's going to be about $24 a month if you go with the yearly option with a $5 fee per course enrollment. Now, the Pro Trainer plan starts at about $79 a month with no transaction fees. And if you want to go even further than that, you can go with their Learning Center plan, which starts at about $249 a month. And with that one, you get more advanced features as well as high volume and corporate plans with custom pricing for even larger organizations. Now, ThriveCart is very simple. Like we just showed you, you can pay a single lifetime fee of $495, which is reduced from the regular price of $1,995, and that you get permanent access, meaning you don't have to pay a monthly subscription fee. Make sure that you can still access all the benefits that you get inside of your ThriveCart account. You pay once basically and you own it for life. Now, while LearnWorlds might seem cheaper initially, ThriveCart's lifetime pricing model typically becomes seemingly more cost effective over time given its lifetime nature. As you can see here on the LearnWorlds page, which you can access by using the link down in the description, you can go here and hit the start a free trial button. Now, one of the biggest benefits about LearnWorlds beyond just their pricing is the fact that you can start with them completely for free. If you hit that link down in the description, you'll get a special discount deal with a 30-day free trial, meaning that you can start with them without even having to put your credit card information in. You simply enter in your email address, your school URL, and hit the start free trial button. Now, once you guys are inside of LearnWorlds, this is what you're going to see. As you can see, it's a fully dedicated course creating platform, meaning that they have everything inside of here that you could possibly need to start selling courses, digital products, or anything you can think of, opposed to ThriveCart, which doesn't really have a full built-out ecosystem for that quite yet. As you can see, we can hit the create school button here, which will then prompt us to name our school, give it a domain, and then we can pick from a bunch of different templates that they have already existing. As you can see, I have this test school here, which I can go to and start making edits to completely on the fly. As you can see, I can edit pretty much anything you can think of, whether it's the courses, the actual website design of the landing page, and even see my users, as well as communication between them and even marketing. There's so many different options here that you can choose from in order to build the best possible school group or course program that you can think of. And these options are just really empowering in the first place. You can activate things like discounts, deals, and even help people get a certain amount off on your course, or even upgrade people to higher tiers once they've joined your course in the first place. This pretty much works like any other of the major course platforms out there, thinking of things like School, Teachable, or even Kajabi. I highly recommend LearnWorlds, guys. It's what I personally use for a couple of my different digital products, and I would definitely recommend using that link down in the description to get started with them completely for free for 30 days. Now, the big question here is which should you even choose in the first place? What you really need to consider here is that both of these platforms are built for kind of specific things. LearnWorlds really excels when your educational content benefits from showcasing curriculum previews as well as learning outcomes directly within the checkout process. ThriveCart, on the other hand, shows when conversion speed and operational efficiency are much more of a priority to you, particularly for established brands or straightforward digital products where customers already understand the value proposition. Either of these platforms, make sure you use that link down in the description, and of course also make sure to use any codes that you see down there to get an even greater discount. If you guys have any questions about these platforms, make sure to comment them down in the comment section. Also hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.